Welcome to CheapoHippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. eBay via Dyson USA has the manufacturer refurbished Dyson DC25 animal or multi-floor your choice bagless upright vacuum cleaner for a low $219.99 plus free shipping. They charge sales tax in most states. This is at least $100 less than buying it new, and you still get a 3-year warranty. Includes a 3-year warranty, 11-amp motor with lifetime HEPA, 0.31 gallon capacity, 11 cleaning path and 24.7-foot cord. Includes steel bristle, soft dusting brush, multi-angle and articulating hard floor tool. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or visit our website at CheapoHippo.com.